This is Anne Rossley with Baird Warner. I sell real estate in downtown Chicago, and I'm coming to you today to give you the latest statistics as of October 4th, 2021. We're going to be looking at what's happening in the near north area, specifically what we call the North Chicago Township, and that area is bounded by the Chicago River on the south, Lake Michigan on the east, Fullerton Avenue, which is 2400 North on the north, and the Chicago River on the west. It's a small geographic area, but it packs a big punch in terms of downtown Chicago real estate. Let's take a look at what's happening. This is information as of end of September. The first graph you're looking at, it's actually a bar chart, shows the sales volume year to date, so January through September, end of September of 2021. $3 billion worth of sales. It includes condominiums, townhomes, and single-family homes, and it compares it to 2020 and 2019. As you can see, we're up 60% in sales volume year over year, and quite a punch. Lots of business. All right, let's look at condos only. 2020, because of COVID, was down 20% versus 2019, but it came back roaring. And today we're at $2 billion worth of property sales of condominiums and co-ops, it's attached, in the North Chicago Township, up 57% since previous year. This shows a monthly tally of closed sales. So it's a lagging indicator of what's going on in the marketplace. But as you can see, even though August dipped down in terms of number of closed sales, it's still high compared to the previous years of 2019 and 2020. And for August to be this high is very rare indeed. Properties under contract. These are the properties that will be closing in 45 to 60 days. And it is a lagging indicator as well, although less so. You can see that the number of properties under contract is down again from the previous month, and it seems to be a downward trend, but we are still at the high levels of previous year's spring markets. Median sales price. The median sales price for a condominium in the North Chicago Township is $395. And this shows for 2 years, and it looks like it's kind of coming around. But I want to show you that when you look at a 10-year trend, you can see ever since 2012, we've been on an upward trajectory. 2012, the median sales price was $275 versus today at $390 or $395. It's a very healthy condominium market in downtown Chicago. Month supply of homes for sale. This is the absorption rate. It's the number of properties on the market and the rate of sale. How many months would it take to sell out everything that's on the market? For condominiums, currently, it's 4.7 months worth of inventory. Remember, 6 months is a static market, neither a buyer nor a seller market. 4.7 is a slight seller's market. Let's look at single-family home sales. This is really a fun chart to present to you for this reason. By August of last year, the number of closings was so strong coming out of COVID that we actually were ahead of 2019, which we all at the time thought was a very good year. 2021 is 74% higher than even the high number of 2020, to show you just how strong the market was, with $661 million worth of single-family home sales. Number of closed sales in August was down a little bit, but again, see, we're still way higher than a lot of months over the last couple of years. Under contract, we've been up for the last 2 months, and August is usually a very slow month. We're doing very strongly for single-family home sales throughout the city. Median sales price for a single-family home in this general area is $1,125,000, and it's a little bit down over this blip here in 2020. Here's what it looks like over a 10-year stretch. Again, the low of 2010 to 2012, That was when we came out of the 2008 crash. And then it's been an upward trajectory since then. You'll see little blips here and there, and those can be caused by, a new bunch of single family homes being built, for example, that causes the median price to go up. Very, very strong. And again, look at our supply of single family homes. We're only 3 months worth of inventory. That is down 53% versus last year at this time, and shows again the strength of the marketplace. Buyers are looking for single family homes. It's a seller's market. Sellers are getting their prices. So that's it, folks. That's the Chicago downtown real estate market. Next week, we're going to look at what's happening in the Lakeview Township. Meantime, if you're considering selling and you want help on pricing and understanding how the market affects your personal situation, please give me a call. Subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Facebook. This is Anne Rossley. Thanks for watching.